Hello, good day team, how you doing? I couldn't stop myself going for a ride. I wasn't going to because I have a bit of work to do, but sun shining and sky looks pretty awesome. I'm tattooing tomorrow, but I have a day off today, and yesterday I went for a spin. Oh look, what happened to the number plate? Bended into place. There you go. And it was raining and my ironhead, my red beast, broke. The negative cable came off, so I had to be rescued. So I thought today I'm gonna go on my trusty Trumpy, and we're heading over to Kaitaia. It's only an hour away or something, and the Mangamuka Pass is open. And last week it was raining and it was closed because there was quite a few slips, but yesterday I met a dude who rode on a V-Rod in Crocs, and he came from Kaitaia over the pass, so he said it's open. So I'm thinking, oh bugger that, let's go and have a look, go to Kaitaia, have some sausages and cheese for lunch, and then come back and get to my work. So I'm just gonna check the tire pressure. I am all fueled up, and let's go for a spin. Let's go to Kaitaia. Yeah, let's ride. I had to stop. You know how I was talking about not ever stopping a motorcycle with the valves being accessible for getting air in. Look at me parking today. Valve right on the bottom, right there, and a valve right on the bottom, right there. Couldn't, make myself slap in the head. I bitch about it in one video, and the other video is like, oh look, it's perfect. Alright, let's get on the road finally. Here we go folks, another video, another Friday, another ride. Let's do this. This Mangamuka Pass has been on my mind for a long time. Ever we wanted to come and move here, it was always closed. It's been closed for a year, maybe more. I don't know. Every single time I looked how to get to Kaitaia, it was around the coast, and the pass has been closed. So we moved here up north, and now it seems to be open. The fella, as I mentioned, in a Crocs, said he rode through here last week, or actually yesterday. That's right. So I decided to use the sunshine and go and explore and have a look what this gorge is about. I have pulled into this little village to have a little quick look, and yeah, nothing really exciting happened, so I just keep going, go over the road. I thought the gorge was gonna be quite long, and I just kept riding and riding and riding, and I'm wondering, where is it? Is this it? Is this it? Am I there yet? I don't know, I was pretty confused. I would so love to go for a trip on a little Harley, take the Sporty out, but yeah, I'm so far away from doing any maintenance on the bike, and I just don't want to get out without tuning it, and I'm really avoiding the garage until the bike is ready, until the garage is ready and I can move around and I know where my tools are. I don't want to be losing bolts and screws and covers and just working chaos. So I have to work on this garage soon, get it done. I'm very close. I have a couple things to do this weekend, and then maybe next weekend I finally start building the benches. Maybe even this weekend, I don't know. You will find out, I suppose. And then the rain came and it started drizzling, and I'm thinking, maybe I should have freaking took my rain gear with me, but it looked sunny, so why bother? And yeah, it wasn't too bad. The roads were pretty wet, and now, just about now, it started pouring a bit heavier. And I'm just thinking, further up there doesn't look like it's too cloudy. There is some blue ahead, so I'm sure if I keep riding, the wind and sun will dry me off. And here we go, sunny on the other side. Oh, what other side? We haven't even got to the pass. What you talking about, Willis? Never mind. Let's just keep riding, and hopefully you guys enjoy a little bit of a peaceful riding without me yapping about all the time about random shit. And here we go, we've been riding in a gorge for a little while. It is pretty windy, it was quite wet, so slippery, and you could see where there is lots of roadworks and where the big slips were. But still, it was pretty cool. If it was very dry and very cool, it would, I'm pretty sure you can have a good hoon. I was not really pushing it, I was taking my time. And just going over the peak and just slowly descending. And right about now come my lunch. Look to the left, oh, there is a little piglet right here. Hello, little fella. I had to point so I remember where in a video this was. That's how I mark my interesting viewpoints in recording. And I have never seen a wild pig in those colors. They're usually quite brown or black, but having brown with a white stripe, I wonder, it would be pretty tasty. And it was quite little, so man, it would be a couple dinners or lunches. I wonder if it's gonna be there when I come back. Not that I'm gonna do anything about it, but one can dream. And here we enter Kaitaia, a little township. I don't even know if it's better or bigger than Kerikeri. I don't know. It looks just like any other New Zealand town. Just a bunch of shops, cafes, bakeries, banks, and that's about it. I don't know what to do. It's quite funny that you want to go and drive or ride to this new city, have a little look around, and then you get there and it is kind of the same, and I don't have anybody to visit. I don't have any plans, so I just ride like a little muppet through the town, and then thinking, oh yeah, okay, I've seen it, let's go back. Well, that was the ride to Kaitaia. This is the little town. We just rode through it. I was hoping to find a supermarket, get a sausage, but it's another 10k up the road, so I can't be bothered going up there. Hey, how are you? So I just rode through town, had a look, smiled at few people, waved at few people. But what a ride through the gorge, eh? For ages you ride and you think, where the hell is this gorge? What is people talking about? And then boom, there it is. Mr. Sparkles going around. Hello. Yeah, it was fun ride. So I'm just gonna do it all in reverse and have a look Did you notice the pig? I'll try to find the little piglet on the way back. On the camera if I have recorded it. It was cute. It was a tiny little baby one, brown with a white stripe through the belly. Well, that would be a good dinner, and was just right by the road, just eating. Man, succulent little piglet. Oh, I'm hungry. Now I'll go back to Kerry and pop the shop there. It's just an hour away, so I can have a delayed lunch. That's fine. Man, yeah, beautiful riding and cute little town, this Kaitaia. I like it, and the scenery is ridiculous, doesn't it? Yeah, let's have a let's go. I refueled already. There's a little park, looks like a skate park over there. Trees, you know, it's northland. It's not even that cold. There was a bit of a drizzle up on the hill, but that was fine. No more rain. Okay, let's go get that pig. I have room. I don't have a cable ties, but I can stick it in a sissy bar. Should ride over it, maybe not. I don't want to fall off, but man, would be cool. Alrighty, let's ride some more. You know that you are living up north of New Zealand when there is banana farms everywhere. Look at them buggers. I don't know, there is banana flower right there, and all the bananas all over, everywhere. I know that you can grow pineapples here as well. Ridiculous, isn't it? Bananas. Bananas.
I kept looking and looking and looking, and no piglets, no food on the road. While back we did hit a pheasant and it fell into the water, so I did pick it up and we ate it, but I think it was pretty damaged, so it was a bit stinky, but hey, we still ate it. Might as well, waste what not, or how you say that.
Oh no. I passed the truck and now I have to pass it again unless I wait for ages. We are at the Mangamuka summit. The gorge is beautiful. Lovely bush, you can smell it, the dampness, it's quite lovely. The summit is 383 meters high up, which is quite interesting because my village in Slovakia is 470 in the hills, and this is the peak, and we are surrounded back there by bigger mountains and hills. Anyway, so peaceful here when the traffic's not here. Didn't see the piglet, or maybe didn't know it. No pig. Alright, let's go.
weather turned out to be a bit better on the way back. It was pretty much all dry all the way, except the roads, but no more rain. I got a bit of rain caught at the end just before home, but I tried to slow the bike down and stay behind the clouds, so they bugger off to one side and I got home dry. I received few drops, but that was okay. It was the whole trip took me 2.5 hours roughly. It was just nice to get out and enjoy the sunshine and hear the bike and just run around. Might as well. There is lots of more roads to explore and see. And as I said, this gorge was on my list for a very long time, so it was quite nice to give it a go.
Well, that was it. The Mangamuka Pass, State Highway 1 to Kaitaia and back. Nice little trip up and down. Not bad for a little hoon. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the little riding video. Not much talking, not much looking around, just riding. And now it's lunchtime and let's build some shit for my studio. So I'll better get to work. Thank you for watching as usual, and I shall see you next Friday. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and ta-da!